The overall market, as you guys could see, is leaving neutral and entering into greed, maybe even extreme greed on the fear and greed index, as we could see on screen. I did say when it was at peak fear, when fear was at extreme fear at around an 8 to 10, I was like, now's a good time to DCA, right? Do we have a great 2026? There's no guarantees of that, but I did say that was a good time to start to DCA into projects. And one of the projects that I spoke about, is doing extremely well, and so is its ecosystem. Bitcoin right now is sitting under $75,000. If you're in the space, you only have $1,000 to invest. Be sure to watch until the end because I'm going to provide a ton of value for you guys and how I would invest $1,000 in the crypto space at this present moment right now in April. Before we go any further, remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. This is all entertainment and educational purposes only. So if I only had $1,000 to invest in the space at this present moment, I would get Monad. I'm thinking out of the $1,000, I would invest around 50% to 70% of that $1,000 into Monad here. I would start by DCing, dollar cost averaging into Monad, because you never know if it pulls back down to 3 cents one more time. I would start my DCA of $500 to $700. Why would I go with Monad as one of my picks for the upcoming bull run? Well, I've dived into it many times in many videos. Monad, as you can see on the website here, has 10,000 transactions per second, 200 plus validators, and it is 100% EVM compatible, right? This means that it's delivering what Ethereum does and Solana does as far as speed and scalability with extremely low fees. So imagine the speed of Solana with the decentralization of Ethereum. That creates one of the better performing layer 1 projects we've ever seen in this space. And that's why you see, in my opinion, because the tech works, the technology and the use case of Monad works, that's why it's one of the stronger projects at this time, right? And remember, we were talking about Monad back in December at around 1.8 cent. That was the first time I talked about it back in December. And when January rolled around, it pulled back down to around 1.7 to 1.8 cent. I was like, guys, now's a good time to DCA Monad. And from that time, we're up around 2 to 3x on Monad here, actually giving grants and supporting their developers even recently with their dedicated devices matter subsidy program. As we can see on screen, they are subsidizing dedicating laptops, multi-sig treasuries, and teams with with at least $2.5 million of TVL on Monad, right? So they're helping to grow and develop their ecosystem. There's always new partnerships, always new developments here. Even the Monad cards that people shared on crypto Twitter, I remember everyone was sharing their Monad cards. It looks like there will be a wave 3 of the Monad cards. Let me take a look at the chart. Like I said, talked about it back here at this 1.8 cent level. That was the first time I talked about it. Let me switch to price. Actually, I'm using Deck Screener instead of TradingView because I'm gonna switch immediately to the Monad ecosystem, right? So we talked about it at 1.8 cent back here in December, and it made a move up, made around close to a 2x move for us back here, right? And then it pulled back, and I was like seeing a lot of people panic. I was like, guys, I still think it's a great time to DCA Monad. Anything under the Coinbase ICO price, which is 2.5 cent at the time, is a good time to enter the project. And I was saying, I think it's a good time to DCA. Obviously, I could be wrong, but my instinct conviction said now's a good time to DCA Monad at that 1.718 cent level. And now you was patient. You're up around, let's see that actually, from this level here, 1.718 cent. You're up around a 2x move, right, for Monad, right? That's fantastic, especially in the market conditions that we have, guys. That is absolutely fantastic. You could see 10 to 20 cent Monad from where I spoke about it, right? From that DCA level that we spoke about, you could see 20 cent, which would be a 10x. I definitely recommend joining the Patreon because now I'm going to transition to the Monad memes that I spoke about on the channel. Look at Emonad, right? Emonad, this is on the Monad ecosystem. I made a tutorial on how to buy Monad memes. That's on the Patreon as well. It's on the Patreon. You guys sign up to that. You'll see those tutorial videos. Spoke about Emonad at around the 300K market cap level, right? And now look at this, right? It's at 1.5 million. So that's around a 4 to 5x, 369, yeah, 4 to 5x on Emonad, right? Obviously, I said never to overinvest. At the time, I was saying like just 1 million tokens is good. So that around, 300K market cap, 1 million tokens was $300. Now your $300 is $1,500, right? Massive gains, especially in these market conditions, in my opinion. The market conditions are extremely rough right now. So turning $300 into $1,500, in my opinion, that's great ROI. That's me personally, right? Same thing for Chog. Chog not doing too great, but it made a 40% move from the bottom when I spoke about it, right? From around 1 million market cap that it's at right now, went to 1.5, 1.6 million, right? As we could see. And that was around a 60% move because I spoke about Chog at 1 million market cap. 50% move in these market conditions, great gains. We also talked about Shramp. A lot of people love Shramp. So Shramp, look at Shramp at 400K, almost went to 5. It wicked to 500K recently. We talked about Shramp at around 100K market cap, right? 100K. Let me just say 100K. And now it's up, what, 4x from 100K to 417K market cap. At the time, though, I said even just $100 in Shramp could, lead to great, ROI. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed, especially meme coins. But your $100 in Shramp is now $417. Again, it's fantastic stuff, right? $100 to $417. You're up $317 in these market conditions. $317, and for Emonad, you're up, $1,200, right? Great, in my opinion, guys. You see how the market is? Look around at the rest of the market. And people that are signed up to the Patreon, people that are paying attention to the channel, because patrons see these calls early, you guys are the ones that are benefiting from this, right? Even Moncock as well. Talked about Moncock as well at around, under 200K market cap. Around, 170 to 200K. Even way back here, I was talking about it, right? Around these levels here. And, recently, we talked about it as well on a recent video that I made public, right? I made it on the Patreon first. Let me show you guys this actually. So as you can see on the screen, this is when the video was public. Made it available on the Patreon first. Shramp was at 170K market cap. Even Emonad was down a bit as well. He was at 2.8 cent for Emonad at the time. And let me show you guys Moncock. So Moncock was at 248K market cap, right? And everything I talked about in that recent video, that was 8 days ago, April 7th, right? Now everything, it was at 248K market cap in this video right here. And now it went from around that from 248K market cap. Again, I shared it on the Patreon first, but it went from 248K market cap all the way up to 1 million market cap, right? So that was how much gains? That was around another 4x, guys. Another 4x, and this is all the Emonad ecosystem. Look, they even updated the banner. Look at that, right? They even updated the banner here for Moncock. So, there's definitely a community that is involved here as well. So with the remaining $300 to $500 out of the $1,000, I would, like I said, have $500 to $700 in Emonad that I would DCA, because you don't know if it's going to pull back to 3 cent. So I'd make, $100 to $200 buy maybe every week or so. And I would toss the rest of the money, into the Emonad ecosystem. $300 into, you see, maybe, for example, Chog isn't pumped as yet, and Shramp and Emonad are going for it. Moncock is on a pullback, right? It's not actually like, way up, so you don't FOMO blast into green candles, right? Don't FOMO blast into anything. But the remaining $300, I would toss into projects maybe like Moncock here because it's on a dip, and Chog, maybe $100 a piece, right? It's up to you. Maybe you just go and buy one of them with the $300. It's up to you, but that's how I would go about it. If you want quality calls like this, if you want to join a community that is working together to achieve their financial goals, definitely recommend joining the Patreon for $5 a month, guys. As you can see, we already have 34 members here. I just want to make it affordable for us to grow as a community. We give our own insights And especially in these tough times, you want to navigate the space with a group of people instead of by yourself, so that way you increase your chances for success, right? If you found value in this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Remember to give praise, glory, and just thank the Lord God Jesus for all the blessings. Thank God for everything. I'll catch you in the next one.